It is a professional, non-contact 4-point infrared thermometer offering precise measurements up to 600 Celsius and 1112 Fahrenheit degrees. All the necessary paperwork is included. It is equipped with an LCD display, 4 physical buttons and a joystick, 4 laser pointers and sensor secured by a lid, ambient humidity and temperature probe, USB and thermocouple probe inputs, and a battery slot. It is powered by 3 AA batteries also included in the box. Additionally, the set contains a lanyard for higher convenience.